Is going on, you guys? It's your boy Jaden here, and I'm back again with another breakout strategy for you guys. So yeah, without wasting much of you guys' time, let's just jump straight into it. And before you start watching, please just give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and yeah, leave a comment. I wanna hear your guys' suggestion. What do you guys want me to do, like videos in the future, maybe challenges or something like that. Yeah, drop your suggestion in the comment. I'll be reading through them. And yeah, so first of all, you want to get out maybe a piece of paper and a pen, or somewhere to write on, or maybe a notebook or something. Maybe, but this could for some others this could help you guys, but for others that already know it, yeah, it's like a revision of what you already know. Yeah, let's just jump straight into it. So first of all, what you want to do is that this breakout strategy, right, it usually works on the 1 hour. So what you want to do this is that's like let me just do, you wanna mark out the areas that they've been respected previously in the 4 hour. So these are the previous areas that they've been respected in the 4 hour, right? So what you want to do now is that how could we have entered the trades from this area right here? How we could have entered trades from this area right here, right? So what you want to do, right, is that we see in this upward momentum that was being created with the trend line being respected, right? So at the end, what ended up happening is that we ended up seeing this double top, this double top here, right? With price ended up just after that, price ended up just melting straight up down, changing the form. And it started creating what? It started creating a bearish momentum of the market. So we want to know how we could have caught trades from this area right here. So yeah, let's just jump again straight into it. So again, what you want to do also is you want to put your supply and demand zones, right? You want to take out this horizontal area 2, right? So you want to put this area, but this area, as you guys will see, it has been respected. It has been respected here, here, and also here. Sorry guys, my drawing is very terrible, but anyways, we move. So again, you wanna put somewhere this area, somewhere right around here. But these guys will see also it got respected somewhere right here also, but it's kind of messy, but it's still okay here, and also this week that we're currently seeing here. So what you want to do again, we want to put another horizontal ray on the other area that is being respected. So I'm going to put something right around here. This area has been respected. This area with this week also, and this was kind of messy, okay, but it's still okay though. It's still okay. We move again. So again, we want to put. You see this little candle here. It had these 2 weeks that had been respected. Sorry. So this area, it has been respected, and this area somewhere right around here. So you guys now get it, right? So these are the 4 hour areas that I actually saw. Sorry, I almost forgot this area also at the top here. Let me just remove this box. Okay, done. Yeah, also another area here. So you want to mark out all the possible areas that are being respected in order for us to catch. This could be like, for me, I usually use this as a confirmation of where the market is probably going to go in my direction or not. On the direction that I'm predicting that market is going to go. So yeah, after you've done this, right, what you want to do is that you never, like, first of all, you never want to disrespect a trend. So for example, we're seeing this market coming up, right, and it comes down. Then when it comes down, you're going to take a sell from somewhere right around here with your stop loss just underneath. But as you can see, is that price is actually being bullish. So you don't want to go against the bigger time frame areas, right? So you don't want to go against bigger time frame areas. You want to continue with the bigger time frame. Like, you want to continue the movement that is being created by the bigger time frame areas. So yeah, I hope you guys get it. You don't want to go against these movements that usually happens in the market. So as you guys can see, also the other thing is that since price broke this area, we're now in a downtrend. So this is what's going to happen. This is now a what? Downtrend, somewhere right around here. So us being with the question on how we could have caught this area. So after you've done that, now you've pinpointed that market is now going, it's now being bearish, right? So now you know that market is being bearish, but what you also want to know is that how you could have caught this trade. So you want to go to after you've put your trend line that indicates that the market is now bearish or the market is now bullish, whichever the direction that is going. For now, for instance, for now it's actually going bearish. So after you've done that, you want to go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour. After you've jumped to the 1 hour, right? So this, if you guys could still remember correctly, these were the. Let me just move it out so you guys could see clearly. Let me just move it out. If you guys could still remember, these were the areas that we marked. So we want to know how we could have caught this area, right, somewhere right around here. So what you're going to happen? What you're going to do is that after you've indicated that the market is now going what? It's now going bearish because it broke this area. So now we want to know how we could have caught the trade. Simple. Remember this area that we marked. This is what? This is another supply and demand area that we marked, right? So price is being bearish. So you see, as we if we take our trend line somewhere right around here and we move it somewhere right here, let me change how it looks. Just give me a second. So yeah, done. So I hope you guys could see this clearly. So now you're probably going to ask me, why did I say we wanna put the trend line somewhere right around here? Let me delete this. So as you guys can see, we've marked the 2 points that we know that indicate that the market is now bearish. These are the 2 points here. These are the 2 points here. This area and this in this area. These are the 2 points that now indicates that market is being is being bearish. So any touch that actually comes to that trend line here, I'm looking to go short. I'm looking to go bearish. I'm looking for sales. Sorry, I'm looking for sales in that area. So you're probably going to ask, how am I going to get a sell somewhere right around here, right? Because we're respecting the bigger time frame. In other words, we're respecting the 4 hour. So if the 4 hour is saying we're now going bearish, I want to be looking for what? For possible sell trades, for possible selling pressure, in other words. So yeah, what you want to do is that you want to take your trend line and you want to put it somewhere where price ended up being, right? And yeah, to this area somewhere right around here, if you guys do get it. Somewhere right around here. Some of you probably ask, why didn't I put it somewhere right around here? Well, you know what? I didn't put it there, but this candle never actually came to this area somewhere right around here. And as you guys will also see that if we were to put it somewhere right around here, this candle ended up this area somewhere right here, ended up breaching almost close to touching our trend line, our 4 hour trend line that's being respected. So in other words, we're going to want to look for sales there. So the other thing that I taught you guys, if you guys still remember the previous strategy that I taught you, is that you want to see this pullback here, this little pullback that's going to happen. So you see price is going to come down and what? And if you give us the pullback, it's going to what? It's going to melt. That's what I taught you guys in the previous video. So you guys already know. You already know that simple thing. Price comes like this, then it's going to what? It's going to melt. If we were bullish, same thing. Price comes. Let me move this. So price comes like this, then it touches the area by giving us a pullback. Then it's going to what? It's going to go bullish. That's what you want to expect into the markets. So yeah. So as you guys see, we got that pullback. When we got that pullback, we got it on what? On this our little area, something right around here. This is our little supply and demand that we drawn when we were looking on how we could have caught that entry trade. So we ended up getting what? We ended up getting our pullback somewhere right around here. And what do? You're going to take a trade probably somewhere from here, or maybe you're a bit late after the pullback. So you're going to what? You're going to put your stop loss just underneath there. underneath your trend line, somewhere right around here, and your take profit 1 being this supply and demand that you drawn, and your take profit 2 being somewhere right around here. You see how easy it is. So for me, I don't usually use this strategy. I usually use it as in terms of confirming the direction that I'm actually going. But for some of you, you can add it to your collection. You know, it could actually help you on the actual strategy that you're currently using. So yeah, let me see if I can find another examples. Where can I find another example? Here's another example. It's somewhere right around here. Remember, we're respecting the trend that we are being bearish. So you see, this is the area somewhere right around here, and this is what? This is the area. So price came up in this supply and demand that we drawn somewhere right around here, right? Then what happened is that price gave us what? A pullback. This is the pullback. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take your trade somewhere right around here with your stop loss just underneath this previous low here. This previous low is here. I mean previous highs, sorry, my bad. Previous highs with your take profit 1 being this area, take profit 2 being what? Being this area. See how simple it is. You see how simple it is. Or let's say, for example, you didn't actually get that entry. So what you could have done again, you could have just taken it from here. You see, that easy breakout structure, but we didn't get a pullback from this area. So that's why some of you could have missed it. But yeah, you could have taken the trade from this area somewhere right around here. Because we got what? We got the pullback with your stop loss just underneath the previous highs here that we got, and your take profit 1 being this area, take profit 2 being the next area. So yeah, we move again. What happened here? You see, price gave us that little pullback here from this to this area here. So what ended up happening is that you're going to take the trade from somewhere here with your stop loss just underneath the previous what? The previous high being this area, and your take profit 1 being what? Your take profit 1 being this area. So this is going to be a 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade, and the other area is this area. You see how simple it is. So yeah, if you guys could go and practice it, it's very, 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 very simple, like the way I see it. So for me, I usually use this as in terms of how I trade. I use it as like a confirmation trade for me. You know, like same thing on here. If you guys could let me show you. Same thing on here. So what's going to happen is that if you put something there, we'll be looking for what? We'll be looking for that pullback. So price is going to come up, right, and touch the take profit. Then I'm looking for that one, that pullback, maybe from this area. Then you're going to what? You're going to melt, something like that. So your entry should be somewhere there, your next entry, with your stop loss just underneath there, and your take profit somewhere right around here. You see how easy it is. And yeah, you know, you guys, that's basically like the small little strategy. I don't want to make this video very long, you know, because for some of you, my watch time is kind of bad, you know. But yeah, anyways, I don't want to keep this video very long. So yeah, if you've made it up to this video so far, I appreciate you guys, you know. And yeah, a like to the video and a subscribe, and yeah, a comment down, leave your suggestion. I want to hear your suggestion, you guys, like the things that you want me to do. I'll try by all best to do it. And yeah, that's basically the strategy. You can go and practice this on other pairs, you know, see if it works. See if it works for some of you. You guys could have added it to your collection, you know, and be able to trade it. Because for me, I see it as a confirmation for some of my trades, you know, how easy it is. Yeah, that's basically the strategy. So by the way, I think this is the end of the video. I got nothing more to say, you know. This is just the end of the video, and I appreciate you guys, you know, for tuning in, watching up until the end of this video. And I hope you guys have learned maybe one or two things of what I just said from this kind of video. And yeah, some of you probably have taken it to your addition to your strategy that you're currently using. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video, And yeah, if you want to follow the channel, you know, I got the Telegram channel of where I keep everything. I post my signals and so on and so forth. For examples, these are some of the examples. But yeah, if you want to join if you want to join the channel, I'll leave the links down in the description. As always, again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and peace.